Hello everyone, welcome to the Arduino tutorial part 3. In this tutorial, we are talking about some popular display of Arduino. Basically, there are many types of display Arduino have. Uh, I have a few of them. Basically, these display are most popular display. First of all, this is the LCD screen, or you can call it the LCD liquid crystal display. Basically, it look dusty because I bought it in 2015 or 16, like. So this is a fundamental and very important display for you guys. It has 16 columns and 2 rows. You can also print here text and number, both of them. Also, by using library, you can just scroll some text on this display. uh, it has many pins, but uh, it is very easy to use actually. Nowadays it comes with an I2C module, but I want to show you the basic fundamental way for running this display. Okay, and moving on, this is the TFT display. There are many type of TFT display, but this is the shield type display. You can see here it is 2.4-inch TFT LCD shield. Basically, it is directly placed on your Arduino Uno, Arduino Mega board. So interestingly, it is a colorful display. It has 240 by 320 pixel. That's why that means it has 240 pixel white and 320 pixel height. Okay, RGB colorful display. It has also touch supportive features, and it has also a TFT. Sorry, it has also a micro SD card slot. That's why you can extend it some memory by using this display. Okay. Oh, here is a also a push button here. Uh, it is basically, you can replace this button with your Arduino reset pin or Arduino reset button. Okay, this is the OLED display. It has 4 pins, so it is very easy to use with your Arduino. It has just 4 pins, ground pins, VDD, or that means two of them are power pin, and SCK or serial clock and serial data, which is used for I2C communication. Our Arduino has I2C capabilities. We know it has 6 analog pins, A0 to A6. Two of them, means A4 and A5, can be used as I2C communication protocol. Their A4 is used for serial data, and A5 is for serial clock. So if you want to connect the display with Arduino, basically you need to use A4 and A5 pin of your Arduino. Okay, and this is the monochrome display. That means you cannot print any colorful text or colorful image on this display. It is just a white display. That means if you print any number or text on this display, it shows only the white pixel. Okay, so if your project need only if you just not curious, or if your project is not just needed any colorful things or colorful stuff, you can use this display. It is a little bit expensive, but easy to use, and it provide a great brightness or contrast for you guys. It is very popular display, so keep it aside. Okay, this is 64 by 8 LED matrix display. Low resolution display, but it is very useful when you want to make some just scrollable notice board or something like that. It will be the very good choice for you. Very easy to use. You can see there are only 5 pins over there, 2 of them power and 3 pins are going to be the communication system with the Arduino. Basically this is the SPI, this display support SPI protocol, that means serial peripheral interface. Our Arduino has both support also SPI protocol. From the digital pin number 11, 12 and 13, uh, those pin are used for SPI communication. Okay, we saw it later. So this is our 64 by 8 LED matrix. And last of all, this is 8 digit 7 segment module driven by max 7219 CNC driver. This driver can drive 64 LED individually. Okay, so here you can see this first, if you look at the first digit, you can see it is nothing but a structural combination of 7 LEDs, and on LED is just placed beside of it. So for on digit you can you just get 8 LED, and for 8 digit you have total 64 LEDs. So on driver, on max to 7219 driver is enough for running this whole display. When you just when your project is mainly based on the number, okay, not character, it's just mainly based on number, you can use this display. This is very beautiful display and easy to use also. It has also SPI supported protocol. You can see there are DIN, CS and clock, and 2 of them are used for power pin as well as the 64 by 8 LED matrix display. Okay, so from all of them, first of all I want to use this fundamental and just basic type of display, and let's go ahead with this display and uh, let's play with it, some text or everything that we have. Okay.